Good morning, children. Today we are going to about 7th grade 7 mathematics integers. So how can define integers? 0. If you take one number line, what is meant by number line? A line contains numbers is called a number line. So if you take one number line on integers, 0, right side positive numbers and left side negative numbers. These are the 0, positive and negative numbers are called integers. Integers are indicated by the letter Z. We discussed in the previous class. Now, second topic we are going to discuss about additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse means opposite symbol. Opposite symbol. For example, this is integer and additive inverse. Additive inverse. Now this is 10. For the integer 10, the additive inverse is minus 10. The additive inverse is minus 10. Minus 2. For the additive inverse 2. Then 3. For the 3. Integer is 3 is an integer. For this additive inverse, minus 3. Minus 7. For this additive inverse is 7. Additive inverse 7. So, the opposite symbol. So, additive integer 10. For this additive inverse is minus 10. For minus 2, 2. 3. For 3, integer 3. For this additive inverse is minus 3. For 7, for minus 7, the additive inverse is 7. For example, if you take minus a, for this a, if you do like this, integer and additive inverse. Additive inverse. Now, additive inverse means inverse negative symbol. Negative symbol. For integer, we have positive symbol, and additive inverse we have negative symbol. Next, we discuss third topic, pattern. Some patterns. For example, 1, 2, 3. Like this they will give. In this one, next few numbers we need to find. So 1 after 2 will come, 2 after 3, 3 after what will come? 4, 4 after 5, 5 after 6, like this will come. Next, another pattern, 2, 4, 6 and so on. 2 after 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Like this, we can see the patterns. Next, 3, 6, 9 and so on. 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. Like this, we can see. Next, minus 2, minus 12, minus 10, minus 8. Now, next numbers what will come here? What is the difference here? Minus 12, minus 10. That means 2 is the difference. So, minus 2, minus 10. Minus 10, minus 8. What is the difference here? 2 is the difference. So, after that what will come? Minus 6, minus 4, minus 2. Like this, we want to write some patterns. So, this is the third topic of the pattern. Now, we come to the exercise. Exercise 1.1. We go for exercise 1.1. First question. What is the first question given? They given the following numbers, number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular date. They given some 5 places. They have 5 places on the number line. 5 places they given in the number line. So first 0, 0, 10, 15, 20, then this side minus 10, minus 15, minus 20. In this one, they given in the number line, first 0, 5 degree. 5 degree is Shimla. This is Shimla. And Ooty. Ooty is 14 degrees. This is Ooty. Ooty. Ooty 14 degrees. This is 14 degrees. And Bangalore 22 degrees. 21, 22. This is Bangalore. Bangalore 22. And left side Srinagar. Srinagar is 2 degrees. 1, 2. Minus 2 degrees. This is Srinagar. This is Srinagar. And one more given, minus 8 degrees, Lahul Spiti. Minus 8 degree. So this is minus 8 degree Celsius, Lahul Spiti. Like this they given in the number line. In this number line, what they are asking in the first question, observe this number line and write the temperature and places marked on it. In this one, first question. In this one, exercise 1.1, first question, A sum. In this one, they are asking places and then temperature. Places, temperature. They are asking places and temperature. So there are 5 places. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 places. The first place is Lahul Spiti. Lahul Spiti. And second one is Srinagar. Srinagar. Shimla. Shimla. Ooty. Bangalore. Ooty and Bangalore. So here Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees centigrade. Srinagar minus 2 degrees centigrade. Shimla 5 degrees centigrade. And Ooty 14 degrees centigrade. 14 degrees Celsius. And then Bangalore 22 degrees Celsius. So after seeing the table, we can observe that Lahul Spiti minus 8 degrees centigrade Celsius, Srinagar minus 2, Shimla 5 degrees, Ooty 14 degrees, Bangalore 22 degrees. By using this table, this is the first question, answer for the first question. And the second question, what they are asking, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest places among the above? B question. In this B question, the difference between hottest place and the coldest place. Hottest place, what is that? In this place, hottest place is Bangalore. So the difference between hottest place minus coldest place. So the difference between hottest place what is that? 22 degrees Celsius minus coldest place, what is that? Coldest place is minus 8 degrees. Hottest place is 22 degrees Celsius. So now 22 minus of the difference they are asking. So difference means symbol minus. Here minus 8 degrees Celsius, that equal to 22 degree minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So 22 plus 8, 30 degree Celsius. 30 degree Celsius. So this is the for B question. What is the B question? The difference between hottest and coldest place. Now go for third question. What is the third question they are asking? What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? The difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Now if you go for third question, third question what they are asking? The difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. So Lahul Spiti, what is the temperature? Minus 8 degree temperature. This is C question. Temperature at Lahul Spiti equal to minus 8 degrees Celsius. And Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now the difference they are asking. Difference means minus 2 degrees Celsius minus of 8 degrees Celsius. That equal to minus 2 minus into minus plus 8. Now 8 minus 2, 6 degree Celsius. 6 degree Celsius. This is the C question answer. And the D question what they are asking. So if you go for D question, means what they are asking in the D question. Can you say the temperature of Srinagar and Simla together is less than the temperature at Srinagar? So they are asking what we want to add. We want to add the temperatures of Srinagar and Simla. So Srinagar plus Simla. The temperatures at Srinagar and Simla we want to add. That means it is less than the temperature at Simla. So if you want to Srinagar, what is the temperature in Srinagar? See the board. Srinagar temperature in Srinagar is minus 2 degree Celsius. Plus Simla. What is the temperature in Simla? Simla temperature is 5 degree Celsius. So 5 minus 2. So different symbol means we can subtract. So what is the temperature here? 5 degree Celsius plus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2, 3. That means plus 3. That equal to 3 degree Celsius. 3 degree Celsius. So it is less than 5 degree. Now how can say it is less than 5 degree? Sum of the Srinagar and Simla is less than Simla's temperature. Less than Simla's temperature. Srinagar and Simla both if you add means what will get 3 degrees Celsius is less than 5 degree Celsius. 5 degree less Celsius means what is that? Simla's temperature. This is the first question in the D. So second, in this one more question they are asking. It is also less than the temperature at Srinagar. It is also temperature at Srinagar. That means this 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degree Celsius. So the second question is No, not less than, not less than, not less than, not less than the temperature at less than the temperature at 3. So coming to the D question. In this D there are two questions are there. First question is Srinagar plus Shimla equal to minus 2 degrees Celsius plus 5 degrees Celsius, that equal to 3 degrees Celsius. Which is less than Shimla? What is the Shimla's temperature? Shimla's temperature is 5 degrees Celsius. So 3 degrees is less than Shimla's temperature. So sum of Srinagar and Shimla is less than 5 degrees Celsius. So it is, the first question is what the given statement is correct. Yes, the correct is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla both if you add means less than Shimla's temperature. Second question, 3 degrees Celsius is greater than minus 2 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature of the Srinagar and Shimla is not less than the temperature at Srinagar. Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degrees Celsius. First question is yes and the second question is not less than, that the given statement. If you come to the second question, in the second question what they are asking in the second question, in a quiz, read the question. If you read the second question means in the second question they are conducting quiz program. In this quiz program there are different rounds are there. So in this one, in a quiz, positive marks are given for the correct answers and negative marks are given for incorrect answers. If jocks scored in the 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 25, minus 10, 15 and 10. What was his total at the end? So there are 5 successive rounds are there. There are 5 successive rounds are there. What are the scores? In a quiz, the scores of first round. Scores of first round equal to 25. Now the scores of second round is minus 5. The scores of second round is minus 5. Now the scores of third round equal to minus 10. Then the scores of fourth round 15, and the scores of last round, the scores of fifth round equal to 10. Now jocks get end of the 5 successive rounds. What is the final score they are asking? So total scores, jocks total score, jocks total score equal to, if you add all the things, 25 plus minus 15, 25 minus 5 plus minus 10 plus 15 plus 10. Now 25 plus into minus, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus 5 plus into minus, minus 10 plus if these two are pluses only. If we add these two means what? 15 plus 10, 25. Now these two first simplify. 25 minus 5, 20 minus 10 plus 25. Now these two simplify. 25 minus 10, 10 plus 25, that equal to 35. The total score is 35. So in a quiz program, there are 5 successive rounds are there. In these 5 rounds, the first round score is 25. The score of the second round is minus 5. So in this quiz program, there are positive and negative are there. If correct question, plus, wrong answer, minus. Now the end of the second round, minus 5. The end of the third round is minus 10, and the fourth round is 15 score, and the score of the fifth round is 10. Like this, there are 5 successive rounds are there. Now a person jog will played in a quiz program. The total score of the jogs is, if you add all the things, is 25 minus 5 minus 10 minus plus 15 plus 10. The total is, if we simplify, means we get the answer 35. 35 is the end of the score. If we go for, can you go for third question? If we go for third question, so if we go for third question, at Srinagar, temperature was minus 5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius. Dropped means less, fallen. So already minus 5 degrees Celsius is there, 2 degrees Celsius is fall. Dropped means fall, reduce. On Tuesday, what was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? So already minus 5 degrees Celsius is there, 2 degrees Celsius is dropped, then minus 5 minus 2, that means minus 7 degrees on Tuesday, and on Wednesday it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Rose means it increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Then what was the temperature on this day? So first what they given? Srinagar. At Srinagar, first what they given? At Srinagar, temperature on Monday. Srinagar temperature on Monday equal to minus 5 degree Celsius. Minus 5 degree Celsius. As what will happen? 2 degrees Celsius is false. As the temperature falls, dropped or falls by 2 degree Celsius. 2 degree Celsius. Therefore, temperature on Tuesday equal to, already Monday temperature is minus 5 degrees Celsius, plus it will reduce it by 2 degrees Celsius, that equal to minus 5 plus into minus 2, that equal to minus 7 degree Celsius. So what is the temperature on Monday? 5 degree, minus 5 degrees Celsius. As the given the statement, 2 degrees will be false, dropped. Dropped means it less than minus 2. So it decreases 2 degrees Celsius. Decreases means what symbol we can use? Minus 2 degrees. Now temperature on Tuesday, minus 5 degree plus minus 2 degree, that equal to, both minuses we can add, means minus 7 degree Celsius. Now, next what will happen? 4 degree increases the temperature. The temperature increased by 4 degree Celsius. Increased by 4 degree Celsius on Wednesday. Therefore, temperature on Wednesday. Equal to, already Tuesday, what is the temperature? Minus 7 degree Celsius plus 4 degree Celsius. So, minus 7 degree Celsius plus 4 degree Celsius. Different symbol means what we can do? Already we discussed. Different symbols means we can subtract from big number to small number. So, 7 minus 4, 3, and then greater symbol minus 3 degree Celsius. 3 degree. So, minus 3 degree Celsius. So, the temperature on Wednesday is minus 3 degree Celsius. So, once again I will explain this question. At Srinagar, the temperature on Monday is, the first temperature, Monday temperature is minus 5 degree Celsius. And what will happen? 2 degree temperatures will be decreased, dropped. 2 degree dropped. How much dropped? Dropped or falls by 2 degree Celsius. Now, dropped means what is that? Minus 2 degree Celsius. Temperature on Tuesday is minus 7 degree Celsius. So, already Monday minus 5 degree Celsius and 2 degree Celsius is dropped. Then minus 7 degree Celsius on temperature on Tuesday. For Wednesday, what will happen? The temperature is increased by 4 degree Celsius. Now, already in Tuesday, we have minus 7 degree Celsius. In 4 degrees is increased. Then, when 4 degrees increased on Wednesday. Now, the temperature on Wednesday is minus 7 degree Celsius plus 4 degree Celsius, that equal to minus 3 degree Celsius. This is the third question. Now, if you go for fourth question, so what is the fourth question given here? Fourth question, aeroplane and submarine. So, aeroplane means it flies on above the sea level, and submarine, where submarines will go? It is a one kind of ship which is travelled inside the water. Here one small diagram also given. So, fourth question. So, what is the diagram? This is 0 degrees, and this is sea level. That means inside this is water, and one aeroplane is there. This aeroplane is there. This aeroplane is how much distance above? 500 meters above from the sea level. And one more is submarine is there. Here one submarine is there. That is 1200 meters below the sea level. Now, what they are asking, a plane is flying at a height of 500 meters above the sea level. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meters below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? So they are asking, this is sea level. From the sea level, 500 meters above is aeroplane is moving, and from the sea level 1200 meters below the submarine. This is submarine. Submarine is moving inside the water, And what they are asking, the distance, vertical distance between aeroplane and submarine. So this distance is 500 meters plus 1200 meters. Though both if you add means 6200 meters from the distance between the two things. Distance between the aeroplane and submarine is 5000 meters and 1200 meters. That equal to 6002 meters distance between the two things. Distance between the two things. So I will explain some stepwise. The sea level equal to 0 meter. 0 meter above the plane. Above the plane equal to 5000 meter. The sea level is 0 meter. The sea level above the plane is 500 meters. Distance between plane and sea level equal to 5000 meters. Distance between plane and sea level is 5000 meters. Submarine is 1200 meter below the sea level. Therefore, distance between submarine and the sea level is 1200 meter. Therefore, now what is our question? The distance between plane and submarine. Therefore, the distance between plane and submarine equal to, so the distance between sea level to aeroplane is 5000 meters plus the distance between submarine and sea level is 1200 meters. That equal to 6002 meters. 6002 meters. So here this is the sea level. From the sea level 5000 meters above the one aeroplane is flying, and 1200 meters below the sea level a submarine is there. Now they are asking distance between the aeroplane and a submarine. So what is the distance between the two things? 6200 meters. Now can you go for fifth question? Fifth question. Now if you go for fifth question means, what is the fifth question? So Mohan deposits rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 rupees from the next day. If the withdrawal of amount from his account is represented by negative, so withdraw is represented by negative and deposit is represented by positive. How much amount deposited? Rupees 2000. So how can represent this symbol? Plus 2000. And withdrawal means negative, minus, taken from the bank, that is 1000 minus rupees to 1642. So 2000 rupees deposited, 1642 42 rupees withdraw from his account. Now, then how will represent this amount deposited? Then find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. After the withdrawal. So withdraw means what is the symbol? Withdraw means negative and deposit means positive. Deposit means positive. Now withdraw. Withdraw means negative. Deposit means deposit plus. Deposit means plus. Now, how much amount Mohan deposit amount. Amount or amount deposited. Mohan amount deposited. Amount deposit in the bank. Deposit in the bank equal to rupees. So deposit means what symbol we can use? Deposit means plus. Plus rupees 2000 rupees deposited. So in this bank, deposit means plus, withdrawal means minus. So Mohan amount deposited in the bank equal to rupees 2000 rupees. Now Mohan withdrawal Mohan withdraws withdrawal money equal to minus rupees 1642. Balance therefore, so total amount deposited 2000 rupees, that is plus. Then how much withdrawn taken from the bank? 1642 rupees. So what is the remaining balance amount? Therefore balance after withdrawal equal to rupees 2000 minus rupees 1642. If we subtract means 2000 plus 2000 minus 1642. Then 10 minus 2, 8. Different symbol means what you can do? We can go for subtraction. Then 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Here 9. 9 minus 6, 3. Then 0. So symbol is plus. That equal to rupees 358 rupees is a balance. 358 rupees balance amount. So here in this bank question, so amount Mohan deposit amount, deposit represents plus symbol and withdraw represents minus symbol. Mohan amount and Mohan withdraw money from the bank is rupees 1642. It represents minus symbol. Now balance amount after withdraw, 2000 rupees deposited, 1642 withdrawal. Then the remaining amount after withdraw is 358 rupees. 358 rupees is the balance amount. Now we can go for sixth question. Exercise 1.1, sixth question. In this sixth question, what they given? In this sixth question, Rita goes 20 km towards east from a point A on the point B. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along some road. If the distance towards the east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance travelled towards west. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? Final position from A. So, a girl Rita traveled towards 20 kilometers east. Now, we are going to draw one small diagram. Small diagram. Here, there are 2 points A and B. There are 2 points A and B. This is east. This is east. This is west. East, west. Now, some A to B. How many kilometers she traveled? Distance traveled west to plus 20 kilometer. 20 kilometer. Then she traveled from B to how many kilometers she traveled? B to she here 30 kilometer back. That means this represents minus 30 kilometers. Minus 30 kilometers. Now, east is towards east. Now come to the sixth question. So east and west, there are two opposite directions are there. So both are east and west are opposite each other. Now east is positive and west is negative. West is negative. East is positive and west is negative. Now the distance moved towards east. The distance moved towards east. A to B. A to B is 20 equal to plus 20 kilometer. A to B is east towards east means it is a plus symbol. Then distance moved towards west. The distance moved towards west. That means B to C is minus 30 kilometers. Look at here. A to B is 20. From B to C, it is west. East means plus, west means minus. So, the final position equal to plus 20 plus of minus 30. That equal to 20 plus into minus 30 degrees Celsius. 30 minus 30 kilometers, that equal to minus 10 kilometer. Minus 10 kilometer. So the point C is represented minus 10 kilometer. So the point A to B is 20 kilometers east. East means plus, and B to C means minus 30. Now the position point, the final position, minus 30 plus 20 or 20 plus minus 30, that means minus 10 kilometer is the final representative point. And then now we go for seventh question. Seventh question, magic square. Square means what is that? Square is a quadrilateral and all four sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Square means what is that? If you take one diagram, A, B, C, D, all four sides are equal and all diagonals, AC one diagonal, BD one diagonal. So all four sides, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA. All four sides are equal and diagonals AC equal to BD. So in this way we can define the square. But in magic square, all rows, all sum of all rows and all columns and diagonals are equal. Then it is called a magic square. Magic square. That means all rows, all columns and two diagonals. Sum of, if we add all the things means sum should be equal. Then we can say that it is a magic square. If any number differently came means it is not a magic square. It is not a magic square. Now, if we go for a seventh row one, there are two sums are there. I am taking first sum. In this first sum, the magic square they given. The rows, 3 rows, 3 columns. 5 minus 1 minus 4 minus 5 0 minus 2 7 3 minus 3. So this is R row 1, row 2, row 3. R1, R2, R3. C1, column 1, column 2, column 3. So, and this is diagonal 1 and this is diagonal 2. Now, first row what is that? 5 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 4, that equal to 5 minus 1 minus 4, that equal to 5 minus 5, that equal to 0. Now second row what is that? Minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus 7, that equal to minus 5 plus into minus 2 plus 7. If these two added means minus 7 plus 7, that equal to 0. If we add the first element rows, all the first row, all the numbers we can add means we get the answer 0. For second row, we get answer 0. For third row 0 plus 3 plus of minus 3, that equal to 0 plus 3, 3 plus into minus 3, 3 minus 3, 0. That means all first rows are, sum of all the first row elements is 0. Now we go for row. Now column 1. For first column. First column what is that? 5 plus of minus 5 plus 0, that equal to 5 plus into minus 5 minus 5, 0. Now for second column. For second column what is this? Is second column. Minus 1 plus of minus 2 plus 3, that equal to minus 1 plus into minus 2 plus 3. So minus 3 plus 3, that equal to 0. For third column what is that? Minus 4 plus 7 plus of minus 3, that equal to minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3 plus into minus, that equal to 0. So all rows, sum of all rows is 0, and first row, first column, first column, second column, third column also 0. Now this is row 1, row 2, row 3, and this is column 1, column 2, column 3. All the rows and all the columns are zeros. Now we go for first diagonal. First diagonal. What are the diagonal elements? Diagonal elements means first row, first column, second row, second column, third row, third column. This is the first diagonal. Then 5 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 3. Now that equal to 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 plus into minus, minus 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. Now first diagonal also 0. Now for second diagonal, what is the second diagonal? 0 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 4. Minus 2 minus 4, that equal to minus 6 is not equal to 0. If we observe in this question means all the rows are zeros and columns also zeros. First diagonal is 0, sum of the first diagonal is 0 and second diagonal not equal to 0. Therefore, if all the zeros are came means it is a magic square. So it is minus 6 is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a magic square. It is not a magic square. Thank you, children.